All right, welcome back. So, like we announced, it's still on the board here. We're having a quiz on Friday over the inverse function stuff. So y'all did 5.1. Okay, so the stuff we did on 5.1 is what we're going to have a quiz on Friday. So we should have done that. Okay? Yeah, we're going to do training on Friday. So you feel like not here, not here. And then write this down right here. Most people can do a projected stuff. So you'll see in red what's due is 5.1 assignment, inverses, and what we did yesterday, linear function crash course. You got the warm up? Let's make sure you did it right. I'm going to bet you got something wrong. Let's find out. You should get it out so you can correct it. All right, so we're going to write a linear equation. I know this has been kind of easy, old school stuff you should have already known. However, this one has a little twist to it, potentially. Let's read it. Mr. G has 100 Bitcoin in the bank, the bit bank. Okay, every month he spends 7 Bitcoin on mathematical teaching supplies. We want to write a linear equation that models this scenario. So remember, we've been talking about putting a word problem into y equals mx plus b. M is the changing amount, b is the beginning. So what's my beginning value? What do I start with? If I have 100 Bitcoin in the bank, that's what I start with. That's my beginning, right? So this is my B. So y equals, this is going to be 100. I'm going to have an x. But what's my slope? What's my changing amount? 7, kind of. So what? Am I making $7 every month? I'm spending $7 every month. That means the number goes up or down? Down. So what should I put for the slope? -7. Okay. So if you put 7x plus 100, I understand why. There's a 7, there's 100, 7 is changing. However, this is very important. Which way is it changing? Is it an increasing or a decreasing amount? Because if it's decreasing, you have to use a negative sign. So I'm going to put that negative in front of that 7. Okay. Does everyone see that? Y equals -7x plus 100. Okay. Now, if this said I'm making 7 extra Bitcoin a day or whatever, then that'd be different. That's plus 7. But this says spending. Okay. Always look for these key words that mean negative. Spending, decreasing, less, take away, whatever. Okay. Anything negative has to be negative. Very important. Okay. Now, yesterday we did those notes on linear functions crash course. That was review. That's just kind of refreshing ourselves on linear, which hopefully should be easy and stuff you remember. Okay. I gave you an assignment. It says assignment, linear function crash course, and you had some time yesterday to work on that. So I'm going to give you some time today as well to work on that. So if you don't have that assignment, you know where to get it. But you want to check Skyward or check that little grade sheet I gave you yesterday. If you have not finished 5.1, that's what's going to be quizzed on Friday. So we will review Thursday, okay? But you got to be able to do it. No, we did that the first day back, but we just checked it together and kept it. So, all right. So I'm going to give you that time to work on it. I'll come around and show you what they look like, so that way you can think about if you've done it yet. Cool. Here we go.